This is the new Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8, which features the new 13th generation Intel Core i7-1360P processor. We reviewed the 12th Gen Yoga 9i in September last year before this variant was revealed at CES this year. For the most part, the specs on the new Yoga 9i are about the same as the 12th Gen variant. You still get a fantastic 4K OLED multi-touch display, which, this is a Yoga, so you can flip it all the way around like that. And you get 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, a super fast 1 TB NVMe SSD with transfer speeds north of 6000 Mbps, a great I/O port offering, so you've got two Thunderbolt 2 ports, a single USB-A port and a single USB Type-C port, a combo audio jack, and you also get solid battery performance lasting between 10 to 14 hours depending on your use case. So what's new about the new Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8? Well, like we mentioned, it's the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1360P. So how does it match up to the previous Yoga 9i? Well, we ran our usual processor tests, and the 13th Gen i7 certainly outperforms the previous 12th Gen variant in quite a few benchmarks. So we saw a pretty significant bump in our 3D Mark benchmark numbers, meaning the Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics is really pulling its weight this time around. We also saw a pretty big bump in our PC Mark 10 benchmark numbers, so the new processor is 2 for 2 so far. Now we come to Cinebench. With both R20 and R23, the 1360p scored less than the 1280p in multi-thread scores. But if you consider that the 1360p has fewer threads than 1280p, it does make sense because it still beat the 1280p in single-thread performance as expected. Finally, we tested encryption and decryption using WinRAR and 7-zip. So while the 12th Gen processor had slightly better speeds thanks to the higher thread count, with WinRAR, it was still very close. However, the 1360p still surpassed the Intel Core i7 1280p when it came to GIPS, that is giga instructions per second, that is specific to the 7-zip benchmark. There you have it. The new Lenovo Yoga 9i is certainly an overall improvement over the September variant. So if you were looking to pick up the Yoga 9 and still haven't, the new 13th Gen variant is available now and at the same price, that is Rs 1,74,990. See you later.